Well, good afternoon, my ladies and my gents. I have some exciting news to pass on. Josh over at VCG Resins has offered to sponsor my channel, and I am I'm excited. I really am. This is something I'd hoped for, that somebody might jump on, and Josh has offered to do so, and I am. Well, I told Josh, I said, thank you does not cover it. I am very grateful that he has done it, and I'm excited, and this is great. I get to be part of the VCG family on YouTube, and this is, yeah, I'm I'm excited. So, starting tomorrow morning, Saturday, March 1st, there will be a discount code available through my channel. It is Jester10, Jester 10, and use it for 10% off your entire order. Only caveat, it does not cover shipping. That's a $6 charge. If you order $100 or more, you get free shipping. So, but yeah, it's, I've long said that VCG Resins is really, in my experience, is one of the best on the market. I've never had issues. I've never had problems. And I'm thrilled. I've been ordering from him for about 2.5 years now, and never had an issue, never had a problem. But yeah, I'm excited. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, and I've got some other things to take care of. So, B-Tex with VCG Resins, signing out.